It's official, more and more men are opting for cosmetic surgery and looking for those defined abs and deeper cuts. Today we have Tampa's top surgeon and Dr. Cosmetic here to give us the breakdown of what men are requesting and to show off some of his incredible results. Welcome back, Dr. Beatty. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for having me.
So let's go ahead, kind of paint the picture if people have not heard of you yet. People all over the world coming right here to Tampa Bay to get your work done. What do you specialize in? What kind of clients do you help?
Yeah, so we specialize in total body contouring, Lipo 360. We have a fully accredited surgery center in Tampa, Florida, and most of our clients travel from all over the world to come see us.
And of course, we were talking about men this time around. So many times we do talk about women and think of, like, you know, post-birth, so many women contact you. The guys want the abs, though. Give an idea of how you're able to help men achieve the abs that people desire.
Yeah, it's super popular for guys to come in and see us, a really growing trend. And the most common request from guys we get is Lipo 360, so contouring everywhere from the clavicle, the neck area, to the groin area, and on the back side, same thing from the armpit to the upper buttock area. The number one thing that all the guys want is ab definition contouring, but at the same time we contour their chest and their deltoids as well to really get that balanced beach body look.
I was going to say balance, exactly the word I was thinking of. How important is that for you to achieve in the results as we get ready to take a look at an example?
Balanced look is super important to our clientele, just a natural appearance with all hidden entry points. So we contour the chest, the deltoid, and the abdominal muscles at the same time. Well,
we're going to, of course, take a look right now. Yeah, looks like that person does a serious amount of crunches. Not so much, though, right?
Yeah, this guy is an otherwise healthy guy. He came to see us, living an active lifestyle. We did Lipo 360 on him, so we contoured everywhere from his chest to his groin area, really sculpted his abs. And part of the total body contouring is really want to make sure the chest and the deltoids balance and match the abdominal areas.
Of course, you know, so many times you think of what a person, you know, the customized approach. And I think that really stands out with you and what you're able to do. And you even touched about the entry points, which is something that a lot of people want. You don't want to be able to see those scars, right?
Right.
Explain how you're able to do that to achieve the results like we just saw right there.
So all discrete entry points, we hide the entry points on guys in the armpits, we hide it in the nipple area, the belly button, and below the underwear line. Same thing on the backside, we hide it in the armpit and below the underwear line. So all of our treatments are customized, so we do body contouring, sculpting the abdominal muscles. On some guys, we have to do a very defined look to match their deltoid and their biceps. And some guys, we do a softer etch if they have thinner arms. And all of our clients get fajas, which are compression garments. We get them made in Bogota, Colombia, really to help them keep them super tight afterwards in the post-op period.
I'm glad you brought up post-op. I think we didn't mention this in some of our other segments, but let's talk about how just because a patient's procedure is done, you don't just send them out of the door, see you later. Why is that aftercare so important to you in your practice?
Yeah, aftercare is super critical in all of our clientele. We see them back the next day. They all get fitted with our custom fajas that they wear for the first few months afterwards. And most of our clients are going back to the beach, living their active lifestyle around the 2-month mark.
Oh, good to know. Well, is there anything else you want to add as we get ready, of course, to share your contact information? Because again, I can't stress enough, people coming all over the world to be able to see you. And then it's interesting that so many people are learning about you in the Bay Area right now.
Yeah, so one of the most common thing or misconceptions we have is that body contouring definitely is for men. So it's a growing trend. We even do fat transfer to multiple parts of the body, such as the chest, the deltoid, and even the buttocks area on men.
I can't stress that enough. Men and women are looking for these results. Well, again, we want to put up the contact information so you can get in touch with Tampa Surgical Arts right now. Make sure if you give them a call at the phone number you see on the screen or visit their website, mention that you saw Dr. Beatty right here on Tampa Bay's Morning Blend. Thanks again for being here, Doc.